Hi, band potatoes. We are going to assemble and hold the flute. And then you just try to play one sound. Always make sure your mouth is clean. Let me pause that. It's real easy to forget to make sure that your mouth is clean. So brush your teeth or clean out your mouth before you play. So when you put your instrument together, you want to make sure you tip the pieces in so you don't jam up the sides. So you tip this in and twist and turn. If this doesn't seem to do this really well, then you might want to take a cloth and wipe this off. If that still doesn't work, I understand candle wax, a little bit of wax to get off the grime and the dirt. Tip it in, twist it back and forth, leave a little bit of the ugly part there, line this hole up with the first key. Try not to grab where there's any keys. And when you put the foot joint on, same thing. Tip it in or tip it on and twist until the ball of the foot joint lines up with the last key. You put your pinky there, 3, 2, 1. And then on your other hand, you put your thumb here. And then 1, skip a key, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, skip a key, 2, 3. And then your pinky would go there. So just work on holding the flute. And you could try a note. I would suggest 1, 2, 3, 1. This is an F. You could try going back and forth, looking up different fingerings, but you want to get all your fingers on so you can get what it feels like. That's your next practice. Day 2 of the flute. Thank you. Oh, and then after you play, you have one more thing to do. And this is important. Every single time you play, you must swab out your flute. And that means taking something like this, dropping it through, and cleaning it out. Or maybe you have a silk swab, and you drop it through, and you pull it through, and you clean it out. Or maybe you have this guy right here, and you take it, I surrender, and you send it through the flute trying to grab no keys, no keys. This one's a little tougher, so maybe you want a nice cloth that's not going to damage your instrument, so that's a little thick. And get the head joint too. Okay? All right. That's day 2 for flute. Get your practice on.